placements and internships, but it also allows students easy access to the other campuses of the university. So a student at Sydney City campus can come and visit and work on any of the campuses of Western Sydney University. Its convenient location in the heart of the Sydney City close to train stations, puts it directly on the train line to our flagship campus in Parramatta, where we certainly encourage students to make use of the facilities and support services offered at Western Sydney University.
We're a really innovative university when it comes to teaching and learning, and we're recognized for the quality of our research. We have both undergraduate and master's degree courses are available on Sydney City campus, including our MBA program. Because this is a new facility, it's been purposely designed to embrace new types of models of teaching and learning, and the interaction that they can have with their academics is much better than if you just have an academic students can be sitting at their table and sharing with the rest of the classroom. Students are going to be exposed to blended learning, so they're going to be able to access videos at home if they want to, which is a great study tool whenever they want to review something. They're going to be exposed to more of the classroom, where they're going to have to do a lot of preparation beforehand, which simply means when they get to the classroom, it's an engagement, it's a debate, it's that type of environment. This is a much better way for students to engage with the material, retain the material, and when they walk away with their qualification, they're going to really know, the degree in which they've studied.
Western Sydney University's brand new Sydney City campus provides students with more options and unlimited opportunities to achieve academic success.